So in this video, we'll see how we can customize invoice in Shopify. Currently, you can see I'm logged into admin dashboard of Shopify. Now I want to customize the invoice as I want to send it to customer email. Okay, so how we can do that? Go to setting. I've already logged into admin dashboard. Now in setting, I will go to notification. Here you can see customer notification. Go on here. Now here you can see all the type of notification that has been sent to customer. You can select which notification you want to customize. Like here you can see order confirmation. Here you can see order invoice. Here you can see order invoice. Whenever you place the order, you can see order invoice. Okay. Now what I will go on order confirmation. Whenever someone place order through my Shopify, he will get all the detail. Now what I want to customize it. Like I want to change text or add some more detail, add images, banner, anything, add some offer or anything. What I can do, I will click on edit code. Now it will be in HTML format. So you only customize if you know HTML. Otherwise leave it. Like here you can see head tag here, from here body tag is starting. Okay, here you can see logo of website, name, order name. Now email title, email body, view your order. So here what I will do, I will customize through here in the order. Thank you for purchasing. I want to change this text. What I will do, I will go here and search thank you. Here thank you for purchase. Okay, so here you can see thank you for purchase. I want to change this tag. Thank you for purchase from, I will add website name. Thank you for purchase from website. Now you will receive, and if you want to some extra line, you can add using here. You can see add end of paragraph text. I will add a new text. This is custom text. Okay. Now I will preview it. You will see the all type of. Thank you for purchase from web agency. Here you can see I have added name. Outside the and if condition. Now preview. Here you can see this is custom 3. You can add any type of offer, discount. Even if you want to add images, you can add images here. Here just add images using HTML format, images and force URL. You can add any type of offer or customize your invoice, order confirmation invoice as per your requirement. Here you can see. Now if you want to add something on bottom, you can scroll down. Now here you can see, if you have any question, reply to this email or contact us shop email. If you want to change your email, you can change it here. You can customize any section in your invoice through here using HTML. Here you see, like bottom detail, if you don't want to show or hide. If you want to change color, you can change that also. Okay, I will show you use your order. Choose your order. Here you can see class. Now I want to change the background color, style, background color should be black. Here you can see I can change the background color. You can change style as per your requirement. I had added background color. You can change any way you want, and you can save the test template, like if I have made some changes, I want to send a test email, it will be sent. Here you can see I have sent the new template that I have created. Here you can see background color is black, text color. You can customize as per your requirement. You can customize any template. Yeah, and if you found some mistake or any error occur, you just need to click on revert to default. It will revert all changes to default. There will be no issue if some error occur. You can easily revert to default. So that's how you can customize invoice or confirmation template in Shopify. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.